First of all, the brand name is actually a global brand, and the color I choose, I write it down so you can choose it. This is cyan and this is gray. Now let's start. First, choose text tool and write. Okay. Now align it with horizontal align center. Increase the size according to your, and again align it. Now it's very important to align the text. Now this is our logo. So first of all, right click and create outline. Again, right click and create outline. Now client wanted this tab to be very mm, uh, bold. So now choose this, Control G for group, and take this color. It's cyan. Okay, and this one is, I think, not necessary. And now Control G. Now I want to add some kind of alignments and kind of design. I want to customize my font. So now let's start. First of all, I just, okay, I think it's better. You can now change this, and also you can add some, group it with Control G. Shortcut key basically it is. And now group all the letters and group it. Now I want you to be kind of this. It's basically a very special alignment and down. Now, if I want, then you can save this or you can just go for that. I think this is best. If I choose this, sorry, I think I just over control. Now, what are your thoughts on this, guys? Kindly tell me on comments. Do subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. I upload tutorials for you for daily basis, so kindly support me, guys. Now it's much more better, and you can according change that with. Obviously, I would think I should change the color into gray, and now it's very, so now it's very light. You can change this as well, and this is our, sorry, now done. It's very aligned. Okay, now take that and increase 1 pt. Object, expand. Now copy it with Alter and It's done. I think it's better. And now change this, change this. Now group it with a line tool, and now I choose this symbol because client wanted this global and nuclear symbol. So I thought I should make it. Sorry guys. I think पता नहीं क्या क्या हो रहा है मुझसे. Control G for group, and then select it with shift and vertical align center to align it. Control G, and now it's much more better. And if you want, you should kindly give an idea of how I should arrange the letters. Obviously, now much more realistic. Kindly. Acha. Now I want to add some in my fonts. So I should design it with. Oh, I think I just. Now it's very good. This and wow, this is better. Something new and something elegant. Now, obviously, that one. You can choose to round that, or you want something very. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.